नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मी विवेक हिरवडेकर आज आपणासमोर इंग्लिश बोर्ड पेपर नोव्हेंबर 2020 सॉल्व मॉडेल आन्सर शीटचा पार्ट 5 आपणासमोर सादर करत आहे. 10वी बोर्ड परीक्षेत प्रत्येक पेपर सोडवणे अधिक सुलभ व्हावे यासाठी स्वअक्षरातील उत्तरपत्रिकेचे लेखन आपणासमोर सादर केलेले आहे. गुणात्मक दर्जा वाढवण्यास मदत करणारे हे व्हिडिओ आपण 10वी अभ्यास करणाऱ्या विद्यार्थ्यांना शेअर करायला विसरू नका. पुढील व्हिडिओचे नोटिफिकेशन मिळवण्यासाठी लाईक, सबस्क्राईब तसेच बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करा. क्वेश्चन 6A इन्फॉर्मेशन ट्रान्सफर A1 or A2 to any one of the following 5 marks. A1 non-verbal to verbal. Write short paragraph about M Raja and D Gaja who are different in some aspects, still they are good friends. Aspects: age M Raja 50 years, D Gaja 52 years. Qualification: M Raja MA B.Ed, D Gaja M.Com M.Phil. Professions: M Raja teacher, D Gaja lecturer. Nature: M Raja kind and introvert, D Gaja social and extrovert. Hobbies: playing badminton, playing cricket. Family: big but happy, small and good. Native place: Amaravati, Aurangabad. A2 verbal to non-verbal. Read the information given below and represent it in the form of tree diagram. Give a suitable title to it. Read information carefully. Tree diagram. Types found in color suitable for verbal to non-verbal. A2 soils. Types: alluvial soils, black soils, red soils, laterite soils. Found in Great Northern Plain, lower valley of Narmada and Tapi and Gujarat. Black soils found in Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat. Red soils found in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra. Lateral soils found in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra. Color: grey, black, red, rusty red. Suitable for crops like rice, wheat, jute. Growing cereals, oilseeds and vegetables. Rice, millets, tobacco, vegetables, potatoes. Rice and millet cultivation. B. Expand the theme. B1 or B2. Do any one of the following 5 marks. B1 news report. Read the following headline and prepare a news report with the help of the given points. Abhinav School celebrates Teachers' Day. Make use of the following guidelines. headline, dateline, lead line, body of the report, conclusion. Or B2. Develop a story to get the following in. Suggest a suitable title. And finally, they reach the school. News report B1. Teachers' Day celebration. Kolhapur, September 6. The Teachers' Day was celebrated in Abhinav School with great enthusiasm on 5th September. Students expressed their gratitude and appreciation for their teachers on this day. This day is dedicated to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. All the students and teachers gathered in the school hall at 7:30 am. The whole function was planned by Mr. Sangram Desai. The responsibility of teaching is taken up by 9th, 10th students as an appreciation for their teachers. As per the Indian culture, program began with prayer song for all respective teachers. The leader of the student delivered a little speech about Sri Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Honorable Headmaster Mr. Soham Jitkar speeches about the significance of the Teachers' Day. After the celebration, the respective teachers and students went to their mentioned classrooms, where the program went to another level. 10th class students has prepared timetable for lectures. Students went to class to deliver lectures on the ongoing semester subjects. On this day, teaching was started as usual. All the students in role of teachers who had no lectures, they had seated in staff room. All other non-participated students were also studying seriously without making any noise or mischief. The school dispersed finally after the distribution of sweets. Section 6 Skill Development 5 marks. Question 7 Translation 5 marks. A. Translate the following words into your medium of instruction. Any 4. 2 marks. 1. Great. 2. Holiday. 3. Collect. 4. Information. 5. Remember. 6. Dustbin. Section 6 Skill Development 5 marks. A. Translation. 1. Great, महान. हॉलिडे सुट्टी. कलेक्ट गोळा करणे. इन्फॉर्मेशन माहिती. रिमेंबर आठवणे. डस्टबिन कचरापेटी. B. Translate the following sentences into your medium of instruction. Any 2. 2 marks. 1. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. 2. Wish you all the best for your studies. 3. Speak clearly and confidently. 4. Keep the house clean. B1 सारे भारतीय माझे बांधव आहेत. 2. आपणास अभ्यासासाठी शुभेच्छा. 3. स्पष्ट आणि आत्मविश्वासाने बोला. 4. घर स्वच्छ ठेवा. C. Translate the following proverbs. Any 1. 1 mark. 1. Tit for tat. 2. Time is money. C. 1. Tit for tat, जशास तसे. 2. Time is money, वेळ मौल्यवान आहे. आपल्या गुणात्मक वाढीसाठी मी आपणासाठी नोव्हेंबर 2020 मधील सर्व प्रश्नपत्रिका सोडवून दाखवणार आहे. 10वी अभ्यास करत असणाऱ्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी या सुवर्णसंधीचा लाभ घ्यावा. धन्यवाद.